Welcome. In this video I'll show you how to use the voice control function on your iPhone 16e. So if you're not sure how to use it, you can always read the voice control tutorial and read about the functions of this feature. I'm not going to show all the functions because this accessibility feature is meant to be used for disabled people and has too many functions to cover in one video. But for example, you can say open phone, and this should open the phone app on your device. So let's try. Suggested command look. Okay, open phone app. Maybe that will work. Worked before. Okay, so let's read about that. Okay. Oh, scroll. This is interesting. Okay. Scroll down. As you can see, the voice control feature worked. Just if you're more interested in this feature, or you want to help someone figure this feature out, just read the tutorial. And it's pretty big, so just have some time. So if you enjoyed this video and consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.